You know which country does have nukes in the Middle East? Israel, in violation of UN Security Council resolutions. You know which country doesn't allow IAEA inspectors into the country? Israel. You know which country hasn't signed the NPT, unlike Iran? Israel. We should talk about Israel's nuclear weapons, which actually incentivize others in the regions, not just Israel, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, to think about nuclear weapons of their own. I'd rather not have more nukes in the Middle East with anyone. The IAEA, Piers, in that report, you must have seen the line in their summary, said there are no credible indications of an ongoing, undeclared, structured nuclear program. Even the IAEA says there's no nuclear weapons program. Their boss, the IAEA chief, Piers, said last week, you cannot attack nuclear facilities in Iran. So, no, it's not an imminent threat. And under international law, Piers, this is the key point. If a weapon is a year away, you cannot say we're under imminent threat. That does not give you a right to self-defense. Otherwise, everyone in the world would go around just bombing people.
Just finished this video, a conversation/debate between Hasan Mehdi and Piers Morgan. बहुत ही profound debate है पूरी. अगर आप interested हैं तो please उसको देखिएगा. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा insight मिलेगा. It's the 5th day and Iran and Israel are still in the state of war. Israel attacked Iran. 5 दिन पहले Israel ईरान पे अटैक करता है और वो रीज़न ये देता है कि ईरान was this close from developing a nuclear bomb. उसके 4 साइंटिस्ट मार देता है, 5 जनरल्स मार देता है. अब तो बहुत ज़्यादा डेथ्स हो चुकी हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रक्शन हो जाती है. देन ईरान स्टार्ट अटैकिंग इजराइल और सारा वेस्ट, अगर तो मीडिया देख रहे हो तो बायस होके उसको ओवर रिएक्शन कहना शुरू कर देता है.